Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video basically to do one English speaking practice. So today I am going to basically talk about one of the greatest invention in human history, which is Chat GPT or AI. AI you can say. This is a game changing because I've been using chat gpt by a couple of times, and they're a great result because after basically using chat gpt I am able to basically use complex words such as which I'm not able to use it, and I can correct myself just uploading videos on that particular platform and just see my mistakes is why the AI agent you can say. So it is a very great, and the progress which takes me to 3 to 4 years, it just helps me to get it within a month. So you can see that how big difference that is, and yeah, I if I talk about how we can use it in our day-to-day life to improve our living standards. So let's see. Let's say basically, if you are like paying some sort of money to some instructor for guiding, right? To the place such as you can say there are a lot of languages, or you can say guiding towards career. So these are all the things which, if you're searching on ChatGPT instant basis, you are getting these kind of things. So it is a very great thing. People who's over like 5 to 10 years back, they didn't basically know about like how great this invention is, and I've been using this thing past couple of 1 to 2 months, but the result are absolutely fabulous after like seeing that particular result. So yeah, I've been using it like changing my content, or you can say getting basically more contentful like a sequence way. Yeah, you just need to fill some sort of words. He will basically, it will give you whole paragraph regarding that. If you're like just putting some sort of plan, such as how to upload video on YouTube, it will give you basically whole descriptions, like all the things which is related towards your like words. So this is a very basically a big thing, right? If like lots of people are doing brainstorming previous past couple of years, but nowadays the AI is going to do it for you. I think probably this is dangerous as well, you can say, because nowadays a lot of people are not thinking much, rather than depending on the AI, totally dependent on the AI. But it is there are side effect as well, you can say. All the things have a different outputs, so we need to understand how to use it and how not to use it, because there is lot of data piracy, or you can say data misuse nowadays happening, and they are very basically things are very changes drastically, and I think probably within a 5 to 10 years, lot of things going to change, such as like cell phone. Nobody going to have cell phone in upcoming years, I probably believe that. And if I talk about like televisions, they are also not going to basically, I feel like people try to basically reduce the physical item, focusing on all the things on digitally. This I feel like a lot of people are thinking, which are having a big position in different companies. They are going to charge it basically on a subscription basis. Everything you are going to see digitally. So this is going to happen in a couple of years. So yeah, we cannot imagine in past 5 to 10 years back, but it is going to happen, and it is going to replace a lot of job as well. So we need to plan accordingly, and we need to basically understand like these things as well. So for today, that is like a monologue, some sort of things. Only one person is speaking, and that is what I've been practicing. And after like using this thing which I've told you, AI, it basically changes all the things. Totally, it is depend on AI. Like whatever it can be done, what can it can be done anything by the AI. So that is it. Bye bye. Have you if you don't didn't subscribe my channel, so you can subscribe that. Bye bye.